let's turn and draw an Easter bunny.
Yeah, we're going to draw an Easter bunny folding surprise. Our bunny is going to be popping out of an Easter egg. We hope you're going to follow along with us. For this lesson, you need something to draw with. We're going to use markers. We always love using markers, but you could use whatever you have at home. Now you also need some
paper and something to color with.
All right, let's start.
Okay.
Except we're going to fold first.
Oh, yeah.
Let's start by taking the top edge of our paper and folding it down to the bottom edge. Line it up, and then I always like creasing right down the middle and then out to the corners. Then we're going to take that top flap and we're going to fold that back up to the top also. Line it up, down the middle, and out to the corner. Then let's flip over our paper. And we're going to repeat that same step. We're going to take this top flap and fold it up to the top. Good. Now we're going to take this top flap and we're going to unfold it. Just that last one. Then we're going to flip over our paper. Next, we're going to take scratch paper and we're going to put it under our drawing paper. That's because we're using markers and we don't want the marker to bleed through our drawing paper and get onto our table. Now we're ready to draw. We're going to first draw the grass down here on the bottom of our paper. And I'm going to draw a zigzag line, and yours doesn't have to look like mine. I'm just going to draw crazy grass. There you go, all the way across. Next, we're going to draw the Easter egg. We're first going to draw the top part of our Easter egg. We're going to draw an upside down U shape. We're going to go up and then back down. And this is above the fold. Up, around. Oh, I like the shape of your egg. It's going to be awesome. Ooh, it's going to be a tall one. I like it. And skinny.
Yeah.
Now we're going to take each side of the Easter egg and we're going to extend it down and curve into the grass. So yours probably, yeah, there you go. I like it. Then we're going to draw the same thing on the other side. Extend it down and then curve it in. It's okay that our two drawings look different. I think your Easter egg looks perfect. The next time we draw it, we could draw a little wider. The most important thing is?
To have fun.
Yeah, to have fun and to
practice.
I'm sure their drawings look different too, and that's okay. All right, let's keep going. Now we're ready to open up our drawing. We're going to unfold it and we'll flatten out the fold so it's easier to draw on. Now let's first start by finishing our egg. We're going to draw it cracked open. We're going to extend the side up just a little higher on both sides down here at the bottom. Now this next part, we want to make sure that we don't draw below this bottom fold. We're going to draw a zigzag line. Watch me, we're going to draw it all the way over to the other side, but we want to make sure that those little points don't go below the fold. That's because when we fold it back up, we want it to be hidden.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're going to repeat that same step, except up here at the top. So let's first extend each side further down. Yeah, and then we're going to draw a zigzag line and make sure that these little points don't go above the fold. Yeah, all right, we did it. Now we're ready to draw our Easter bunny. We're going to draw a really funny one. We're going to draw him coming up out of the bottom egg. I'm going to draw a big upside down U like that. There we go. Good job. It's so skinny. I like it. Then we're going to draw little bunny ears. So I'm going to draw a curve that comes out to the side. We're up and out. Both sides looks like a bug. And then we're going to draw the other side of the bunny ear coming back down on both sides. Let's draw the inside of our bunny ears. We'll draw that same shape, but smaller on each ear. Okay, let's also draw little arms sticking out. So I'm going to draw a sideways U shape over here and a sideways U shape on the right. Oh, we could also let's give them a little paw. Circle on the left and a circle over here on the right. Next, let's draw his eyes. I'm going to draw a small little circle, color it in, and a small little circle over here and color that one in also. And then we could, oh yeah, keep going. Then we could draw his mouth. I'm going to draw a little curved W in between the eyes. If we ever go too fast, what can our friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, if we fast forward the video or if we go too fast and you need extra time, remember you can always pause the video. All right, what else should we draw?
Let's make his mouth bigger.
Oh, okay, let's do that. I'm gonna draw a big U shape for his mouth, and we could also give him bunny teeth, right? Let's. I'm gonna give him bunny teeth. I'm gonna draw a line up at the top and then a line right down the middle, and we could also give him a tongue.
It's a beaver.
Yeah. Well, it's a bunny, but that's okay. Now we did it. We finished drawing our bunny coming out of our Easter egg, except we still need to do one more thing. What is it?
Color it.
Yeah, we need to color our drawings. This part we're gonna fast forward, but remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings also. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
Austin, we did it. We finished coloring our folding surprise Easter egg with the bunny inside.
Yeah.
Should we show our art friends?
Yeah.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Happy Easter! Now we added a bunch of extra stuff to the inside of our folding surprise. Now you guys can add whatever you want. You just want to make sure that you draw it below the top fold and above the bottom fold. That's because when you fold it up, it's all hidden.
Yeah.
Really cool, huh? It looks so much better colored in. I hope our art friends are gonna take time to color their drawings also.
We hope you have a lot of fun drawing your Easter folding surprise.
Yeah, we do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we hope you take time to change your drawings and add even more stuff. We love you guys so much, and we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye! Happy Easter!
Happy Easter!
Our bunnies look like they've been eating too much candy.